Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to order from Temu using cash on delivery. I'll explain how the process works and what you need to check for. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Browse the items and select the product you want to purchase. For example, I'll go into this one, choose the correct variant like size or color, and then tap Add to Cart. Once the item has been added to your cart, go to the cart section and review the items you've selected. If everything looks good, tap on Checkout. At the checkout page, you'll see the available payment methods, such as Apple Pay, credit or debit card, PayPal, and sometimes cash on delivery. Now, here's an important point. Cash on delivery, or COD, may not appear for everyone. It depends on two things. 1. Your region or country 2, the total amount of your order. In many cases, Temu only allows cash on delivery for smaller or lower value orders. For example, in my case, my order is around 10,000 rupees, which Temu considers a high amount, so the COD option doesn't appear. If your order is a lower amount and your region supports COD, you'll see the cash on delivery option appear under payment methods. If it does, simply tap it, confirm your delivery details, and proceed by tapping the Order button at the bottom right. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your order. Your payment will be collected at the time of delivery. That's how you can place a cash on delivery order on Temu. Thank you for watching.